we are having angle of intersection of curves. Now an interesting topic is that how we can say that two curves are intersecting, where they are intersecting and what angle is formed. Okay. So first of all, for finding the angle, we have to make a tangent at that intersecting point for first curve, then tangent for the second curve, and then we have to check what the angle is, and that angle is called angle of intersection of the curves. Okay. So now the angle of intersection of curves is defined as the angle between two tangents, or you can write it angle between the tangents. Okay, angle between the two tangents or angle between the tangents, one and the same thing, to the curve at their point of intersection. Now in our figure, P1 and P2 are two curves, and L1 and L2 are respectively their tangents. Okay. Now the angle where tangents are is theta. Okay, theta is drawn there. Now tan theta is the angle in between the two tangents. So tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2, where what we have to write, m1 and m2 are the slopes of tangents. M1 and M2 are the slopes of the tangents. Now one more term we are having, that is orthogonal curves. Or orthogonal curves. Now if the angle between the curves is a right angle, okay, is a right angle, then curves are called orthogonal. Simple. So if we have to find the angle of the intersection of the curves, then we have to go for this formula, and we should be having slopes of the desired tangents. Okay. So this is the thing.